Hi everyone, it's Vicky. Welcome to my channel, and today I thought I'd just share with you my bird feeder setup since I'm doing Project Feeder Watch. Most of my feeder watch is right here out my window. However, I do feed the ducks across the street. I do throw oatmeal down, so I am counting half of the pond as part of my feeder watch area as well. So let's just look at the individual feeders and see what we got going on. Oh, truth be told, I've never seen a hummingbird at my feeder. I've had it up for over a year. I have seen hummingbirds in my yard, but never at my feeder. I even went as far as to buy the commercial juice, nectar, whatever, with the red food coloring, because in the past I've always made my own and it had no coloration to it. I figured that these red plastic flowers that are on the feeders and the painted on flowers would be enough to attract. But you know what, I'm going to keep it out here anyway. Okay, I do have a suet feeder as well. It's a double suet feeder. Peanut suet on one side, fruit on the other. I have not had good luck with suet. It's not that it doesn't get eaten, it usually gets eaten by squirrels. So I bought this new cage for it instead of one of these kind that the squirrels can get in. I bought one of these. Nobody's touched it so far, but it's really, you know, it's not really very cold in Florida, but I'm going to try it anyway, and I'm going to stick with it the whole season. Same with down here. Ooh, I can smell that banana. I just today put some of the little tangerine and some ripe banana in my old suet feeder, and I think what I'm going to probably get is insects, maybe rats. Actually, I'm going to take the fruit in at night, so I don't know though if there's fruit bats. Oh well. All right, next is my squirrel buster. Boy, the lighting is really crappy. Ah, there we go. It's a big tubular, and it does a very good job because when the squirrels get on it, their weight pulls it down and they can't get the seeds. And this one is now all sunflower seeds. My last hanging feeder is also considered a squirrel buster because when they, well, let me get the lighting better. Because when they get on it, it pushes down and they can't access the feed. This is the no mess mixed with sunflowers. And this is what used to just have sunflowers in it, and the birds became accustomed to hitting this one. So they're not hitting that one the way I had hoped now that I changed it. So I'm going to make sure that the seeds are falling down and that we don't have some kind of obstruction. Okay, I gave it a few shakes, and I think it's gonna work. Well, I shook that big feeder to get the stuck seeds cleaned out. So somebody's very happy, and his friend.